This gorgeous fireplace is actually a super safe piece of equipment to use. It does provide heat right at the top. Right now it's on, of course. And check these really cool things that I can do with it. And I will show you right now. I can actually change the colors. So I've got a bunch of different colors that I can go from, depending on my mood, depending on the setting, and of course, depending on whatever fits in your room or your space. I really like this one here. It kind of like emanates like real firewood. Really nice crystal like rocks at the bottom that kind of like make everything shine and bright. And it's really gorgeous. Again, I could have this just as a. I'm going to turn off the heat, for example, just right now, and boom, the heat is off now. So of course I could have it just as a visual appeal or a visual set, or I can have it, functional like a real fireplace. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is a beautiful white frame, and the front is glass as well, and it doesn't take that much room and can be installed right on a wall or in a in a fireplace set, really within bricks and everything like that. You can have that coming off the wall. It adds to any room really. And if you've always wanted a fireplace but couldn't get it in for obviously practical reason, this is definitely the way to go.